Hey guys, it's Emily. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these 3 Christmas room decoration ideas. And they're all affordable and easy to make. Let's get on with the video. The first DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this canvas. You want to get a canvas of any size, and a stem with anything that you want on it. I used a canvas that was 7 by 7 inches, and the stem that I used had berries, a present, and a pine cone on it. Then you want to take your stem and lay it on the canvas to see where you want it and where it needs to be cut. When you figure out where it needs to be cut, you can cut it down to fit the canvas with wire cutters. After you're done cutting the stem down, you want to tie a bow and make sure it's the size you want it to be. Then you want to take hot glue and glue on the stem. When you're done gluing down the stem, you can glue on the bow. And if you want, you can glue a bell on the bow. The last thing I did was that I glued each part of the stem into place, and then I was done. The next DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this flower arrangement box. You want to get some kind of box, and if it has a lid, you can take it off. I used this plaid box for my arrangement. Then you want to put floral foam into the box. Once you have the foam in the box, you want to get some flowers and pull the flowers and leaves off the stem. You can also cut the stem off with wire cutters. Also, if you have leaves that are connected, you want to cut them apart and make sure you leave some stem on them. After you get the flowers and the leaves that you want to use off of the stems, you can put them in the foam. I put about 12 leaves, 5 small and 2 large flowers in the foam. Then you can take a piece of ribbon that's long enough to be tied around the box, and you want to put a piece of clear tape on the middle of the ribbon, and you want to tape the middle of the ribbon on the back of the box. Then you can tie the ribbon into a bow. And cut off the extra ribbon at an angle. The last thing you can do is that you can run a piece of thread that matches the ribbon through a bell. And then you want to tie a bell on the ribbon. Then you can cut off the extra thread. And move the knot of what you just tied behind the bow. And make sure you leave some extra thread so it doesn't come undone. And then you're all done. The last idea I'm going to show you how to make is this pinecone and bell garland. You want to get some pinecone ornaments that have twine already on them and bell ornaments. If you don't have pine cones with twine on them, you can make them yourself by gluing on a piece of twine with hot glue. To make the garland, you want to start off by running a piece of twine through the bells. Then you can take your pine cones and cut the twine that's on them. And then you can tie them on between the bells. If you glued on a piece of twine to a pine cone, all you have to do is tie them on. The last thing you have to do is that you want to cut off the extra twine and adjust the bells and the pine cones to where you want them to be. And then you're all done. And that's how you make these Christmas room decorations. In the comments down below, let me know which DIY is your favorite, and subscribe to see more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!